Hi guys, welcome back. This is Team Tara, and on today's video, I'm out of breath because I just ran. On today's video, I am going to be talking about my hair journey. Why I'm at the stage where I hate my hair, like literally hate my hair. It's supposed to put some weave back in it, not no braids, but like some weave because my hair broke off a lot. If you can't tell, is way shorter. I had to give it a trim because it was broken, and I know the reason why it was broken. Well, I usually let out my hair like once a month. That's not bad at all because I deep condition before, I deep condition after, and I just know my hair. I take care of my hair. I've been doing it for a while, and I have seen a substantial amount of growth. I'm gonna tell y'all as I do this unboxing with Shea Moisture, the real tea. This is so good, my favorite. Oh, I got this box from Shea Moisture, one of my favorites this year, because it has all the goodies in it. All the goodies, like self-care, head to toe, okay? Head to the pinky toe. This is what it look like. Got some curl enhancing smoothie in it. It got some silicone leave-in conditioner, facial lotion. It's the Skin Rescue Moisturizer, the Shimmer Body Lotion, Strength Leave-In Conditioner. This is my favorite. I love the 100% Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo, but this is one of my top 5 conditioners. So when I say head to toe, literally head to toe. And the way I achieve this voluminous shampoo and conditioner, I didn't put any leave-in conditioner in my hair this time. I didn't put any oils in it. A couple reasons why, I'm gonna get into it, but I used a different product from Shea Moisture that I'll talk about on another video because that's the exact products that I used. However, you need something for your hair. They have 3 things for your hair that I will use, that I highly recommend. Both of these leave-in conditioners. The Curl Enhancer Smoothing, when I have my curls, twist outs, my wash and goes, this is a go-to as well. For your face, you need your lotion on top of your moisturizer, Skin Rescue Moisturizer, especially because it's the winter, so your skin is always dry. And with this lotion, you can use it on your face, but also you like to use it on my hands. It smells good. I love the fact that it's in the travel size, so you can easily put this in your purse. And this is also in the travel size. It is glass, but it's a go-to in your purse when you're like out and about, you don't have any makeup on. So a lot of y'all have been asking about my hair, and I'm at the point where I don't care. It is bad. It's really bad. And it got this way because I had went to some people that's not a skin color. However, the person that was actually doing my hair was a skin color, and I was the only person I would trust to do my hair because I was like, oh, she's a sister, she knows what she's doing. Sister didn't know what she was doing, and it was sad to say that she was combing. You don't know what you're doing when you're combing curly hair with a brush and a comb. Curly dry hair, like I literally came in there with my hair in a ponytail dry. She was combing it out dry, and she was starting from the roots. She was starting from the ends, and then she started getting like tired, and she started doing it from the roots, and I could just hear my hair ripping. And I'm like, so asking her questions like, how long have you been doing this, trying to really get to know sister, because she was doing it wrong. You do not do curly coily hair dry. You don't ever. You always have to put some type of product in so the hair can be like, the transition is just a little bit better. And my hair is, don't get me wrong, I don't have thick hair at all, so that's not a problem. Then I don't have the coiliest hair. So if she would have put any type of moisturizer, just water by itself, the curls would have unknotted. You know, I have curly hair, they just knot together, they intertwine with each other, and she was ripping out my hair. First thing, she asked me what color I wanted, and at the time I had this blonde color. This is why I had to go black. I had a blonde color in my hair. It was really, really cute. I loved it. I really wanted to go up a shade. So this hair, this whole hair salon experience was I was an influencer for them, and I was supposed to go and tell them, you know, basically how it went. And don't get me wrong, besides that one, well, it was a couple parts, but besides that part, I enjoyed the experience. The customer service, the place was really cute. The care about how to treat your hair prior, before, and after was all available. The styling, not so much. The girl who was styling my hair didn't know what she was doing, but they're not, it's kind of like a blow dry bar, if I can say that. So when you, after you're done getting your hair done, they shampoo the hair, wash the hair, which I loved. Again, the atmosphere, the ambiance was amazing. So she sat me in the chair with the lady that's not our skin color after I got my hair done. And I'm talking about my hair experience, but after I got my hair done, she sat me in the chair and she was like, do you want me to blow dry your hair? And I've seen experiences about people who blow dry their hair at like dry bars and stuff like that, but they are their expertise is drying. They know how to blow dry hair. I've seen people, black people, people of color, go in there and get their hair done, and it came out amazing. But since their expertise is not technically blow drying, she was like, we just give you the blow dryer, you do it. And I was like, well, I didn't know that was the case because I have somewhere to go after this, so what am I supposed to do? And I literally left there crying. Like, I felt so ugly, and I'm not an insecure person at all. It's really not much you could do to me to make me feel like I'm ugly. I'm not one of those people who like, I look ugly when you put on some clothes, and I'm like, I don't really care. But the fact that I went there, wasted my time, had somewhere to go afterwards, I felt ugly. She didn't know what she was doing with my hair. She put some styling cream in my hair and she was scrunching it in my hair, like trying to make my hair curl. And I'm like, it just needs water. Like, why are you scrunching my hair? And I left out of there a freezing mess. Like, she didn't know what she was doing. She was scrunching products in my hair. She was taking pieces of hair and wrapping it around her finger. She's like, they taught us this in beauty school. And I was like, sis, what beauty school did you go to? Why are you wrapping it's not even curly. My hair is not even curly. It's wavy. Why are you wrapping my wavy hair around your face? It's bad. It was really bad. Like I said, the customer service, the ambiance, the shampoo and the conditioner was amazing. I'm not even going to discredit them for that. Okay, so back to the beginning. I walked in, told them everything. That was a smooth transaction. When the lady came to me, she was talking to me. She was very, very cool. And I don't even discredit her. I don't think she just knew what she was doing. Like, she said she worked at the dry bar prior to in LA or something like that. So I thought she knew what she was doing until she picked up the comb and was combing my dry hair. You could have even, because I know she had to put the product on, but it's not hard because I dye my hair in its curly state. I don't need it to be super straight. I don't need it to be like, maybe it's some technical situation that they want you to like have your hair at least semi-straight before they put the product in because it probably don't distribute well, but my hair texture does. Like, it really does. And I've done it plenty of times and I know what I'm doing. So the fact that she was doing it, I was like cringing. So anyways, after she did that, I told her I wanted to go up lighter. At first I said, let me know, like, just do something. And she was like, no, I don't want to do that because I don't want to mess up your hair. You probably don't like it. I was like, okay, let's go lighter, because I have like this two-tone effect in my hair, and I was like, it'll be really cute if we go lighter. So they specialize in color. It's called a toner. So it's like a cream that they put on your hair, and it can go lighter or darker. So I told her I wanted to go lighter. After I gave her for her to choose, because I did want to do something different to my hair, but she was like, no, I don't want to, mess it up. I said, go lighter. The lady next to me heard me say it. It's a specialist. Oh, and I'm not even gonna say, some girl came in there and she was like, I know you. She was like, are you Team Tara? And I was like, yes. She was like, I follow you on Instagram. And I was like, oh my gosh, thank you, like for the support or whatever. She was like, I love your daughter. And she's like, I think she was following me. And then she stopped following me, but she was like, I remember you was pregnant. And I was like, yeah. And she was like, I said, I have a son. And she was like, oh yeah, I love you. And she was showing everybody in there my Instagram page. And I was kind of like, I didn't want people to know who I am, but they said they get influencers there all the time, so no biggie. I am definitely going to be playing with my hair a lot because I don't like it. And it's not as healthy as it's supposed to be. And I don't want to give 100% due to me flattering flattering my hair every once a month, because that's not the reason why. So The lady put the toner on my hair, and the toner, she put the darker toner. And I was looking at her doing it, and I was like, why is my hair turning purple? And I thought that maybe it was just like some chemical reaction to the dye that I had on. And I didn't dye, I never toned my hair when I dyed it. It was no need to. It turned the exact color that I was looking for, my ideal color. And then when she put that in and it turned purple, I was like, oh, she's going a little darker. But I was like, maybe when she washed it out, it'd be a different color. She let me sit there. And when I washed it, I was like, this is not the color I wanted. Matter of fact, before I even finished washing out my hair, the girl who saw me getting the dryer, getting my hair shampooed, I couldn't even see it. She took it off the cap and she was like, I thought you said you wanted to go lighter. And I was like, I did. And then she started whispering to her colleagues, like, she didn't do her hair right. And I never told the company that she messed up on my hair. I never gave any type of response to, like they give reviews, like follow-ups, like how did you like it and all that. And I was just like, I just walked out there. I felt really ugly. I felt like my hair it went 10 steps back. It was a dark color that didn't even go, like, I wish I could put some clips in, but I really can't. I probably could find it on my Snapchat because I called my sister crying afterwards. Like, I was like, I feel so ugly. She was like, why would you let her do that? And I was like, I really didn't know. Like you want somebody to do their job and you give them some type of leeway to tell them how to do their job, and they didn't do it right. So put some little clips in if I can find it. But anyways, my hair did do 10 steps back. And so I've seen that so after I left there, I ended up going and purchasing some toner. I didn't want to dye my hair after. I purchased lighter toner and got it a little bit closer to what my hair was prior to her toning it darker. What happened in the process of me doing that, I can see my hair stripping a lot. Of course, the toner is going to lighten the hair. So I seen it starting to damage. I seen that it wasn't as healthy as it was. And so I started wearing my hair in like buns and ponytails, which made it even worse because, so I deep condition my hair often. I deep condition my hair twice a week, which is pretty well. I do my rice water method hair. So I've been actually taking my Hairfinity pills more than often as well because I want to get my hair back to where it is. It is not 100% healthy. Like, if y'all can look at my old videos, y'all see it was like full of body. It still is, but you can just tell, like, it's really stringy. It's not as full and healthy as I've once had it. And I'm trying to get back to that. So in the meantime, I do want to kind of like put in some extensions, or I just really want to go the whole, what's the word? Like naturally straight route, like not care about my curls, but just make sure my hair is healthy and just go naturally straight so I won't have to worry about it. But I just want my hair to be healthy again, whichever direction that I do want to go. And it's going to take a while for me to get there. It took me a while to get my hair where it was at. It's kind of like, it's really stringy. It's really stringy. It's not flowing how it was. I did have to cut it, y'all, and I had to cut it a lot besides it coming out. And yeah, this is where my hair is. And y'all probably looking at it like, girl, there's nothing wrong with your hair. I know my hair, and I knew it was longer than this. If you go look at a few of my videos recently, you can see that my hair was longer than this. It was way healthier and just put together. I didn't want this video to be that long, so I am gonna cut it short. But I do love my new Shea Moisture products. I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I probably do a grow with me video, like to show y'all how to get my hair back to where it was at, or better than where it was at. So yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and follow me, Team Tara, on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Don't forget to check out my Mom Life merch on whittletoes.com. It will be at the bottom on the description bar, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay blessed.